Hey GeoPro and ePro owners, just wanting to show you guys my setup that I can run the AC on high off. So this is a Pulsar dual fuel. It's a 2200 peak watt on gas, 2000 peak watt on propane. I'm going to show you guys how I can run my AC just from this. No hard start capacitor, no modifications on this 20.5 GeoPro 19BH. It's got the low profile AC, so I'm going to start it up and show you guys. So I've got just an adapter, so it's a 15 amp plug going into the 15 amp outlet. You can have it running in economy or just normal mode. It works both. The AC starts with both. So I've got the generator running now, and as you can see, this is how it's plugged in. I'm going to go inside and turn on the AC. So this 19BH. So first I start it on low fan, leave it for a few seconds, then high fan for a few seconds, then low cool, then high cool. You can hear the compressor start to run, and the air is already cold, much colder than just the fan. So leave this on low fan for about 20 seconds. You can see the generator, still what's powering this. So now we'll go to high. Feels as cold as my car's AC, and you can see it's on the coldest setting here.